Hi, my name's Penny Wagner, and I teach 8th grade math, and I'm here to help you make class time count. If you were to ask a teacher today, what is the one major thing that you have noticed that has not changed for the better over the past few years? They may say retention. In order to help students gain memory retention, you will need to make your class time count. When a student is processing new information, the amount of information that is retained depends on what is being presented during the learning episode. We tend to remember more details at the beginning and at the end of each lesson. Your class period can be broken up into 3 distinct intervals. The first interval is called Prime Time 1. In a 40-minute class period, this usually lasts about 20 minutes. During Prime Time 1, you will want to give students the best and most accurate information, as this is when they are the most focused on the new learning. You will want to give a short attention getter that relates to the lesson to gain their focus. And then you can begin. This mode is followed by a short downtime. About 20 minutes into class, students will find their attention is starting to drift and it is harder to focus. Downtime is where students can practice the skills learned in the lesson, and it's usually about 10 minutes long. As the information is no longer considered to be new, it helps students to organize it in their brains for processing, and thereby strengthening the working memory of the skills. The third period is called Prime Time 2, and this is the second best period for memory retention. This is a shorter period than the Prime Time 1, and it is a great time to review important points and to begin closure activity. If your class is longer than 40 minutes, you will find that you will need to chunk your lesson, providing additional downtimes. By breaking it up into 3 or 4 20-minute learning segments, the students can be much more productive. So, take the time and make your class time count.